Oh, hello there. Hey, what's up guys? It's Laura and Lewis. Hi, we're Laura and Lewis. We just moved into this new workshop.
That's true. It was kind of a mess while we tried to get everything organized because over the years we accumulated a lot of tools and it was pretty challenging to find a home for everything in our new space.
We wanted a cabinet-style workbench so that we have plenty of storage space to organize all of our metalworking and woodworking tools that we use the most often. And we also wanted shelf space for miscellaneous items like our paints and adhesives so that they're easily accessible.
So today we'll show you how we made this workbench. At this point, we cut down all the panels and stretchers and assembled everything with tons of pocket holes and wood glue. Once we got the initial carcass together, I was still worried about the racking, but you'll see what we did to fix that later on.
While we mulled over a solution for that, we got to assembling the drawer boxes with simple butt joints, wood glue, and brad nails.
And to take care of the racking, we ended up just cutting out a panel and fitting it in the middle, which looking back on it now seems like the most obvious solution and should have been the first thing we did.
Once that was in, the workbench was super solid. Then we were able to install double doors to close off the middle section, and then we added simple leather drawer pulls. So before, we had a huge mess with tools and supplies everywhere, but now we have this awesome workbench with 8 super deep drawers and shelf space to house all of our tools when we're not using them.
We're still finalizing the layout of the workshop, but the main working area is pretty much complete and we're super happy with how it's turning out so far. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you have any tips and tricks on how to better organize your workshop or how to better build this workbench, please comment down below.
Thanks for watching!